Hey bestie. So y'all see that title? Basically, because I have let my PR pile up. Well, not let. I actually got my wisdom teeth removed last week. So in that week, it just piled up. And now it's a whole bunch. And I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it and make it a haul. Because why not? Like, it is definitely a lot to unpack. It's definitely going to take some time. We got some work to do because child.
Damn!
What's going on? Okay, wait, let me get a thumbnail. Yeah, so I don't even know where to start. This gonna be the detailed version. But everything that's shown in this video you can find on my TikTok page. Including this jumpsuit. Roti. But before we get into the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. But let's go ahead and get into this because it's a lot to unpack. So first, my friend already opened this technically, but I am finna start a series on my YouTube and my TikTok on how to finesse and slay and make synthetic wigs look like they're human wigs. And I'm finna show the bitches how to be some badass bitches. So this is the first thing. This company is called Lumi Hair, and they sent me, it comes with, you know, the wig cap, the wig band, and then this is the synthetic wig. It looks like, oh, it's red. It's red. So we've been, it already low-key looks like, yeah. We're gonna, this series finna be, it's finna be bomb. It's finna be bomb. Cause what? So I think that this wig is definitely going to be bomb for the series. We gonna see though. But yeah. So you will probably see, I think it's like, I think company sent me like 3 synthetic wigs, but and that's gonna go towards the series. But yeah. So the next thing, this is Fabella hair. I think this is another one of the synthetic ones. Packaging is so tea though. Look, the little card, paper. Okay, I don't know. We gonna see. Like I said, that series is coming. I'm gonna try to post a video in the series a week, but at least minimum every two weeks it's gonna be a video for the series. Okay, let's see. This is from, I don't even know what this is. We're gonna see though. And it's in another, it's in another packaging. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's some hair. And they gave you a little thing. Okay. This hair. Who's this from? See, that's where wig companies be messing up when they be sending me hair sometimes, because they don't be having their brand on their stuff. So now I don't know who this hair is from. We're gonna figure it out though, but I think this is a human wig though. Let me see. I think this is synthetic. I don't even think this is real, but she's cut too. So this is another wig for our series. It looks like this series is gonna be pretty long. That's already 3 videos. This little bag it came with is cute though. These synthetic, let me find out, these synthetic wig companies got the presentation down. And I got 2 little clips. Don't play with them. And HD wig caps, baby. Don't play with them. Okay, moving on to the next. This is probably gonna be closed. Cause It just feels like it. What is it? Oh, this is from IMG. It's that little tank top. I wanted the whole set though, but I don't know why they just sent me the shirt. But I feel like I'll probably wear it with like some bikini bottoms. Ooh, it's heavy too. I'll probably wear it with some bikini bottoms in the summertime with the white swimsuit under, and then just the bottoms. This shirt is so tea. Oh, y'all, this that Frontal Queen spray. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Baby. Yeah. This gonna be good. Cause I've been seeing this on TikTok and I've been wanting to see what they talking about. Next thing, another box. I don't even know why they sent this tiny stuff in this box. Baby, what is this? Oh, some lash clusters. Y'all, these look tea. These look overly tea. Y'all know? These look tea. I don't even know what brand. It says Sino Velve on the packaging. But it's gonna be linked on my TikTok. And I'm gonna make a video promoting it. Okay, next thing. Ooh, it's another care package. Okay, packaging. Talk to her. It's UA hair. Not sure if this is one of them synthetic ones or not, but we finna see. Lash clusters. Y'all, look at this packaging. I got HD wig cap, scrunchie, these cute ass clips, some more clips, and some freaking lash clusters. Okay, UA hair. I'm trying to figure out if this hair is synthetic or not. And pre-cut lace. They gave us lace. Oh yeah, so this one's another one that's gonna be in our synthetic. Y'all, this was some of the wig companies sending y'all on Amazon and saying it's human, cause literally, okay, UA hair. These synthetic wig companies is doing more than the human hair wig companies. Look at that. Look at the knots. They're tiny, but I'm gonna show how to like give that bleach knot effect on synthetic wigs in my series, so tune in. But okay, UA hair, you did not disappoint, cause okay, these are definitely lash clusters. I can tell by the shape. But who are they from? Ooh, I can use these for bottoms. This is why I think I told them to send me these ones. These ones I'll be able to use as bottom eyelashes, the tiny ones. So we're gonna do that. Oh, I already opened this. I have one of them on, but look at these. These are so freaking cute. This one's the cheetah print one, and the one I have on is the zebra print one. But these are so freaking cute, and they're from Lumen Nest. That's the brand. I have a video already of them on my TikTok. Literally so freaking cute, and the quality is good. It has soft. Okay, this is the human hair. This is definitely the human hair. I knew I had one human hair wig that was supposed to come from this. I can tell. Wait, is this red? Hold on, y'all. Oh! Yeah, this Amazon company sent me this red wig, I remember. This gonna be cute. It's not even like a, if y'all can see, it's not, it doesn't look like it's like a, it's not too bright of a red. It's like a burgundy for real. So that's gonna be tea. And the knots are tiny as, yeah, this gonna eat. I see it already. I just don't know how I'm gonna do my series and install my human hair wigs, because usually I keep my human hair wigs on for a little minute, at least a week. So I'll probably do like every 2 weeks I'll drop a synthetic hair video and just change them out like that, because these are a lot of wigs to get through. Ooh, what's this? They got it zip seal. Oh, they're bodysuits. Okay, period. This is cute. And it came with, baby, I don't got time for this. We gonna start cutting these toes open because I don't got time for this ripping and tearing and shit. Oh, and it came with black too. So I got a white one and a black one. And they look like they gonna like snatch me in, like, but we gonna see how they fit. So, snatch me in. Okay, more lash clusters. Let me put the trash here. More lash clusters. 33 up to. Why'd they put a question mark? Oh, you luck. That's the lashes that I got on right now. I stand by them. I think they were the first lash company to collab with me or have me promote their stuff. And to this day, they still send me lashes, and I love them to death. And they're very, very good lashes. Like, not even fronting. They're very good lashes. Ooh. Here's another human hair wig. So let me know down in the comments if y'all would want me. I already post my wig videos of me installing them on my TikTok. Let me know down in the comments if y'all would want to watch me do them on YouTube, like more detailed and all that. Okay, clips, edge brush, period. They didn't play. And I think this is that was 24 inches. So we could do a little cute, like, you know. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if y'all would be interested in seeing me. Like, I'm gonna do the series with the synthetic wigs on both, because I want to give a detailed version on how to finesse them, and then like the quick version on TikTok of me just installing it. But let me know if y'all would want to see me do that with all wigs, human included, because on my TikTok it's just me installing it, but I could give like on here a detailed. Okay, this is our last freaking package. Maybe I don't know what the fuck it is. Oh, it's that bodysuit. It looks big as hell. I think this is like a small. Y'all, this is big as. I'ma sew it. I can sew. I forgot I can sew. Maybe it won't fit on big. No, the waist just kind of gives. But anyways, this is supposed to be like a flared out, like flare leg bodysuit. I look, you want to try it on. Oh no, this is tea. This is girl la la la. Wait, let me show y'all. What y'all think? This is tea. You could start that mugging, bitch, cause of her. And the sleeves are long. I like that. Like I can. This is actually tea. Sorry, y'all. I got a little carried away, but this is actually tea. I'm over here talking about I don't know if it's gonna fit in some more, and it's actually tea as hell. But That really concludes this video. Thank y'all for staying and watching. If y'all want to see more unboxing hauls, let me know. If y'all want to see, I was thinking about doing like hauls where I buy stuff too. This is promo, but I can do hauls where I buy stuff too and get into it. I could do try on hauls. I could do all that. So let me know in the comments if y'all want to see more videos like this one right here. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Thank y'all for supporting me. I love y'all. And I'll see y'all in the next video.